Good morning, children. In our class of our E.V.S, we are going to learn Block 11, Living and Non-Living Things. If you see here, cow, camel, elephant, rabbit, and people are living things. Chair, table, lamp, car are the non-living things. Let's see few examples. Living and non-living things. In living things, people, as I said you, animals, plants are the living things. In non-living things, there are natural and man-made. Naturally, sun, moon, stars, clouds, stones, mountains. These are natural things. Man-made is monuments, books, bus, ship. All these are man-made things in non-living things. So today we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. You all open your content book, children. Page number 70. All things are living or non-living. We see a lot of things around us. Yes, children? If you get up early in the morning, you see your bed. There is a bed sheet. There is a water bottle. On top, you have a fan. You have an AC. You have a light. You have curtains. You have cupboard. You have your toys. You have few books. Right? So, when we get up in the morning, we see a lot of things around us. They can be grouped as living things and non-living things. Example, living things, as I showed you, humans, that is people, animals, and plants. They are called as living things. Humans, that is people, animals, different types of animals, plants, different plants. So they are living things. Non-living things, books, water bottle, water, and pencils. They are called as non-living things. So we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. First one is living things. What are living things? All living things need food. All the people, they all need food, right? All animals need food. Plants need food. So they are living things. They need few things. They all need food. Plant makes their own food using air, water, and sunlight. Like us, animals eat either plants or other animals. All living things grow. The first one is all living things need food. In that, plant makes their own food. Okay, by using air, water, and sunlight. Animals eat either plants or other animals. So, the first one is all living things need food. So, the first one is all living things need food. The second one is all living things grow. So, if you see here, from the seed A small plant has come, seedling, and then it has become a big plant. In the same way, from baby to a small child, more little bigger, and it becomes a man. In the same way, plants grow, animals grow, and we all grow. So the first one is living things need food, living things grow. The third one is all living things can move by themselves. Plants also move. They move towards sunlight. So the third one is all living things move by themselves. So when you see sunflower, it's always turned towards the sun. So wherever you see the sun direction, the sunflower also moves. So plants also move. So the three things are all living things need food, all living things grow, they move by themselves, and they breathe. Some non-living things also move, but they cannot move on their own. If you see here, the toy is a non-living thing. But is it moving? No. It's been moved by the child. The child is carrying the toy. Turn to the next page, children. All living things breathe. As I said you, all living things breathe. All living things reproduce. That is, they give birth to the children, either animals, plants, or human beings. All living things breathe, reproduces, needs food, grows, and move on its own. The things which can do all these things are called living things. So we will see again few examples here. It is in your content book, children. The first one is pencil. Does it move on its own? No. Does it need food? No. Does it grow? No. Does it breathe? No. Does it have babies? No. So if the pencil cannot do all these things, it is called non-living thing. If you see the plant sunflower, does it move on its own? Yes. Does it need food? Yes. Does it grow? Yes. Does it breathe? Yes. Does it have babies? Yes. So it is a living thing. In the same way, the other example is car, and the next example is tiger. So based on this, we will classify the things into living and non-living things. The next one is non-living things. All non-living things are either man-made or found in the nature. Some examples of man-made non-living things are pencil, book, car. So these are man-made non-living things. So car, pencil, book are the man-made non-living things. Some examples of natural non-living things are water, sand, and mountains. These are not made by man. They are the natural non-living things. So, with this, we have completed our block. We have learned about living things and their features and about non-living things. So, we'll be doing the keywords, children. You can underline in the content book and also write the glossary. We will do the question and answers and the volume book. Before to that, we will do an activity, which is you need to paste 5 pictures of living things and name them, and 5 pictures of non-living things. This is an activity for the block, and with this we have completed the block, and you all have a nice day. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye, children.